This is how you see the links in iMessages. When you have an iMessage text thread, you could share all kinds of stuff, including links. And those actually appear in a summary section. All the links you've ever shared with someone or they're shared with you. To find these things, you go to the message thread. This is just in iMessages, and this is one of my contacts, which is one of my demo accounts. You tap on their name up here, and the options here vary depending on what you've sent each other in your text messages. These links might not appear at all for some of your contacts. For others, there's the info tab and backgrounds. I think those two are pretty common. And then the photos tab only appears if you shared photos or video or screenshots. One of these three options right here. The links tab only appears if you've shared links. So if you go to a contact and there's no links, then you haven't shared any, or they're not synced across your devices. So all you do, to recap, you go to the contact, you tap on their name, and you go to the links tab. If there's nothing here, but you're pretty sure there could be a problem with the syncing setup on your phone. To check on that, go to the settings, back all the way out to the main settings area, and scroll down to iCloud. Open that, and then tap See All. You can see all the things that are being saved and synced on iCloud. Currently, Messages is not. So in order to sync links, toggle this on. I'm not going to toggle it on because I have a free iCloud account and I want to save my space on iCloud for my contacts and things like that. If I upgrade to a paid one, I'll definitely turn this on. And this happens a lot if you have multiple devices that you text from. So you could have an iPad or an iMac, your Apple Watch, your phone, and you could say different things on each one as you do, because one day you might use the iPad, next day you might use your phone, and different things happen. If they're not synced together through this iCloud option here, they're not going to share all the information. So this is your best bet to make those links appear. And if you toggle this on, that doesn't mean in the next second links are going to appear under here. A lot of data could potentially need to be synced, and that can take some time. So be patient, give it a minute when you turn that on, and then hopefully your links will appear here. I hope this video helps you. If you got value from it, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's important that you do it. So check out that video. I'll see you there.